is a doctor, he has a car, he was a doctor, he had a car, he will be a doctor, he will have a car, he would be a doctor, he would have a car, he would study well, he would have studied well. Negative ആകുമ്പോൾ he is not a doctor, he does not have a car, he was not a doctor, he did not have a car, he will not be a doctor, he will not have a car, he would not be a doctor, he would not have a car, he would not study well, he would not have studied well. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പറയുമ്പോൾ is he a doctor, does he have a car, was he a doctor, did he have a car, will he be a doctor, will he have a car, would he be a doctor, would he have a car, would he study well, would he have studied well. അല്ലേ, he writes novels, he is writing novels, he has written novels, he has been writing novels. He wrote novels, he was writing novels, he had written novels, he had been writing novels. He will write novels, he will be writing novels, he will have written novels, he will have been writing novels. അല്ലേ, ഇത് നമ്മൾ നെഗറ്റീവ് പറയുന്നത് he does not write novels, he is not writing novels, he has not written novels, he has not been writing novels. He did not write novels, he was not writing novels, he had not written novels, he had not been writing novels. He will not write novels, he will not be writing novels, he will not have written novels, he will not have been writing novels. Does he write novels? Is he writing novels? Has he written novels? Has he been writing novels? Did he write novels? Was he writing novels? Had he written novels? Had he been writing novels? Will he write novels? Will he be writing novels? Will he have written novels? Will he have been writing novels? നമ്മളിവിടെ എന്താണ് പാസീവ് വോയിസ് പറയുമ്പോൾ novels are written by him, novels are being written by him, novels have been written by him. Novels were written by him, novels were being written by him, novels had been written by him. Novels will be written by him, novels will be being written by him, novels will have been written by him. I am a doctor, I have a car, I was a doctor, I had a car, I will be a doctor, I will have a car, I would be a doctor, I would have a car, I would study well, I would have studied well. അല്ലേ, നെഗറ്റീവ് പറയുമ്പോൾ I am not a doctor, I don't have a car, I was not a doctor, I did not have a car, I will not be a doctor, I will not have a car, I would not be a doctor, I would not have a car, I would not study well, I would not have studied well. അല്ലേ, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വരുമ്പോൾ am I a doctor? Do I have a car? Was I a doctor? Did I have a car? Will I be a doctor? Will I have a car? Would I be a doctor? Would I have a car? Would I study well? Would I have studied well? I write novels. I am writing novels. I have written novels. I have been writing novels. I wrote novels. I was writing novels. I had written novels. I had been writing novels. I will write novels. I will be writing novels. I will have written novels. I will have been writing novels. In negative പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ I do not write novels. I am not writing novels. I have not written novels. I have not been writing novels. I did not write novels. I was not writing novels. I had not written novels. I had not been writing novels. I will not write novels. I will not be writing novels. I will not have written novels. I will not have been writing novels. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ do I write novels? Am I writing novels? Have I written novels? Have I been writing novels? Did I write novels? Was I writing novels? Had I written novels? Had I been writing novels? Will I write novels? Will I be writing novels? Will I have written novels? Will I have been writing novels? നമ്മൾ പാസീവ് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ novels are written by me, novels are being written by me, novels have been written by me. Novels were written by me, novels were being written by me, novels had been written by me. Novels will be written by me, novels will be being written by me, novels will have been written by me എന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയേണ്ടത്. they are doctors, they have a car. They were doctors, they had a car. They will be doctors, they will have a car. They would be doctors, they would have a car. They would study well, they would have studied well. Negative പറയുമ്പോൾ they are not doctors, they don't have a car. They were not doctors, they did not have a car. They will not be doctors, they will not have a car. They would not be doctors, they would not have a car. They would not study well, they would not have studied well. അല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പറയുമ്പോൾ are they doctors? Do they have a car? Were they doctors? Did they have a car? Will they be doctors? Will they have a car? Would they be doctors? Would they have a car? Would they study well? Would they have studied well? You write novels. You are writing novels. You have written novels. You have been writing novels. You wrote novels. You were writing novels. You had written novels. You had been writing novels. You will write novels. You will be writing novels. You will have written novels. You will have been writing novels. You do not write novels. You are not writing novels. You have not written novels. You have not been writing novels. You did not write novels. You were not writing novels. You had not written novels. You had not been writing novels. You will not write novels. You will not be writing novels. You will not have written novels. You will not have been writing novels. ഇല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ do you write novels? Are you writing novels? Have you written novels? Have you been writing novels? Did you write novels? Were you writing novels? Had you written novels? Had you been writing novels? Will you write novels? Will you be writing novels? Will you have written novels? Will you have been writing novels? In നമ്മൾ പാസീവ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ novels are written by you. Novels are being written by you. Novels have been written by you. Novels were written by you. Novels were being written by you. Novels had been written by you. Novels will be written by you. Novels will be being written by you. Novels will have been written by you.